split truck is baller as hell. Your feels massive everywhere you go. But the trailer's kind of dumbass mega ramps. I have to like find like a hill. They don't fall down, and then you can't get your trucks off your trailer. Slight downside, but it's worth being able to flex on everybody that sees you drive past. They also can't steal my truck, so it's a good safety feature. I mean, if I wanted this truck that bad, I would just enter to win it. How the fuck do we keep buying tiny ass trucks? Work
harder, not smarter. Fuck it.
Work smarter, not harder.
Trees like timber. Get your baby mama before we bend her. 21. Hit the windshield, not the fender. 21. Giving out smoke, my agenda. 21. Throw the white flag, they surrender. Pussy. All black tux, I'm a businessman. Pussy. Me and I still shaking killer's hand. Whoa. Take the plug off in the middle, man. Whoa. Spray the whole block, I don't give a damn. Whoa. Fucking nigga, bitch, I'm a gentleman. 21. 21, your bitch know I been a man. 21. Playing with the rock like I'm Jigga Man. Gotta look a nigga in the eyes when you kill a man. Glock in my lap, everywhere on scrap. Most these rappers cap. I ain't giving doubt. Glenwood to the flat. Used to rob it, trap. Money tall, shack. Chopper bullets, splat. Chuck E. Cheese, rack. We get rodents, whack. Way too many steppers. I can't hold them back. Body full of scars. Face full of tats. You pray on your knees. I pray to my scrap.
Do you want the chance to get her to win this beautiful 800 horsepower twin turbo 24 valve second gen Cummins Shorty with a Lamborghini Pro white wrap 22x12 American Forces and NATO 420Vs? Of course you do. For anybody that doesn't know, this is Cocaine, our latest giveaway truck. In 2 short weeks, it will be sitting in one of your guys' driveway. From now until July 8th, you can get her to win this beauty. I'll fly you out here. I'll give you the title of the truck and the keys. I'll fill up the tank and send you on your jolly way. And you are free to do whatever you want with this truck. Daily drive it. You can use it as a show truck. You can race your buddies with it. You can do sick, nasty burnouts. You could light it on fire. Please don't light it on fire. I would cry. I actually really like this truck. The 2001 Ram 2500, second gen Cummins. It's a single cab short bed conversion. No, they do not come like this. Twin turbo, 24 valve Cummins, fully built, makes about 800 horsepower. Got a 6-speed manual transmission, NV5600, 22x12 American Force wheels wrapped in NATO 420Vs. You can't have a race truck if you don't have NATO 420Vs. Speaking of race truck, thanks to Cole Motors, it has a brand new set of custom race seats. And also to match, it has a race style steering wheel from AZA Auto. It's got suede, it's super comfortable. It feels like you're driving a NASCAR. Why does this thing look so amazing on camera? Because it's fitted with a custom Lamborghini Pro white wrap, thanks to our buddies over at Man's Customs. And everybody's been asking, why is the windshield blue? Because it has custom blue tint. From the inside, it doesn't look blue. And then from the outside, it looks like pit vipers. My truck is wearing pit vipers. And it could be yours. All you have to do is click the link above or in the description below to get entered today. Super simple, but act fast because there's only 2 weeks left until this giveaway is over, and then this truck is gone forever. That's about it. Good luck to everybody, and enjoy the rest of the video. That's the most the drag trucks moved in like 2 weeks. It looks great without the. Where's the bumper?
Probably out in the woods somewhere. You got keys?
Do I have the keys?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the steering wheel's locked.
Yeah, because I was about that close from smoking that tail light.
Let me check all of the vehicles. What did you say?
Nothing.
He said it. If I smoke a tail light, I smoke a tail light. I lost the keys.
Yeah, I mean, the steering wheel kind of don't turn, so it's yeah, see.
That was way harder than it probably should have been. Sadness.
Still looks good.
It looks good. I just wish it ran as good as it looked. So basically, what happened, if you don't know, we went to Ultimate Collar Challenge, and whose idea was it for me to do a burnout? It was mine?
It was yours.
Okay, well, it was my idea. I decided to put this in the burnout contest. Normal people do like first gear, second gear, and then they stop. But like, it like shifted very quickly, and it just kept shifting by itself for some reason. And it also hit lockup and like 150-mile-an-hour wheel speed. And something went kabooey. And now it doesn't like start or run or do anything. And there's a lot of oil everywhere.
Free-painted hood, I guess.
Yeah, fire extinguisher fluid mixed with oil, mixed with powder coat. What sticker is that?
That's Willwood sticker.
Willwood?
Yeah.
The brake that
Yeah.
Brian broke. The motor took some damage, and also I got these really nice brakes on it. Yeah, drag truck brake. Oh my God, they're trashed. The rotors are trashed, and there's no brake line going to that one because somebody, no, you, Brian, was learning how to strap down a truck for the first time, and he went over the brake line, and now the brake line is kind of
Bluetooth brake line.
gone. No, that's not a thing.
That's not a thing?
No, it needs to be attached. They don't have that yet. We should invent that. Bluetooth brakes.
No brakes.
Engages with a solenoid, and then if it doesn't engage, you die.
So
We're actually just gonna keep flipping in until we get into the woods because it's. Why would we need a dually then? You just de-dualied your truck, and I don't have a dually.
I don't even like those. Dude's okay.
He's not forklift certified.
Did OSHA approve this?
OSHA don't come out this far.
That's why he built it out here.
Yeah, we're in the middle of buttfuck nowhere.
Keep going up.
You know, we need one of these like small trailers, and not like we have a shortage of them.
I think I've got one in stock.
You have one? Do you have like a smaller
I'll
trailer?
have to check the warehouse.
Over,
that way.
over yonder. Well, if he did have a smaller trailer, we wouldn't have to tow a bed with a 40-foot gooseneck. We're a little extra. Yeah, I don't like this trailer, honestly. Can somebody buy this trailer off me?
No, not
Oh, I forgot I had the little one. It's in Indiana, though. I hate all my trailers. Buy all my stuff. Actually, I'm retiring. Buy that picnic table, $25,000. Buy this one, $25,000. Buy all those wheels and tires.
For $25,000.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, fuck that boat. Why am I missing a lug nut? Okay, $24,000 for the trailer. $24,000.
Fell out of the way. It's like,
What happened?
I mean, it's hard to see, but you got one valve that's kind of straight, and the other valve, it goes that way.
So what happened?
Carnage.
So our engine's now cross-eyed?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. All right, that's fine. Yeah, Gabe, I think we're going to have a little more problems than what we thought. But
I hate when this happens.
1,000 RPMs for 22 seconds.
No, the burnout was only 14 seconds. I promise.
14 seconds at 150 miles an hour.
There's a valve. This one's kind of straight.
Kind of straight. Where's the not straight one?
This one is looking toward me. That's why you can't see it.
Yes, I do see that. It did also catch on fire and drip like burning oil all over the lines.
Are you calling your dad?
Yeah. How much does
Your dad's a calculator?
How many?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
How much? Hang on one sec. Come on. Don't record this. Don't record this.
Yeah.
40,000. Yeah, you still owe me because I did the dishes the other day, so you still owe me that thing. Yeah,
it is.
What is that?
That's a rocker bridge.
Oh, I break those a lot. I broke those in Murder Ram.
You wouldn't have broke these, but it slipped or moved and bent your valve.
Right.
Oh, we're pulling the whole engine.
Oh, we're pulling. Okay. Well,
It's just as easy to pull it all the way out.
I did forget. It's got the quick detach.
All right, let's go.
Wow, that's literally unplugged. That's crazy.
Baller.
While they pull my drag truck apart and rack up the bill that I have to pay to get everything to run perfectly again, I'm gonna take my mega cab and trailer and that ugly two-tone bed that is completely the wrong color over to paint because
Yes.
you understand. Actually, great things comes to those who wait.
You know you're hillbilly. You got a knife in your pocket?
Oh my gosh. Shoo! Holy shit. Floaters. Oh my god, I finally have floaters. It only took 10 sets of wheels. No, I'm not pouring out. Shout out to JTX Forge. If you guys aren't running JTX Forge, sell your truck or light it on fire. Or don't use fuses like half of the truck community and your truck will light itself on fire. And then you can buy a new truck and then put it on JTXs. Wouldn't that be a bitch if I just tripped and fell?
Yeah. That's a fat fucking wheel, bro.
Yeah, mentally prepare myself real quick. Yep. Oh my god. Yes. All of the above. Everyone, sell your trucks, because I'm coming. Give up while you're still ahead. Hide your aunt, hide your mom, hide your grandma, hide your sister, hide your goldfish, because I'm taking them all out to dinner. Bob Evans, tomorrow night, and I'm gonna f*** your mom. That bed is white and two-tones. Blake doesn't need it anymore. That bed, no. That truck is black. If we paint this bed black, throw it on this truck, throw some dual wheels on it, it will be one bad mamma jamma. And then I will not want to get rid of it, ever, because it's a dually. I have this like weird obsession with making everything dualies, and I haven't done it in a while, and I've been itching to do it to something, and I was looking at this truck, and I was like, wow, it's amazing, but it would be even more amazing with a fatter ass. Yeah, I made one phone call, JTX, now we got JTXs, now we got a dually bed, and then we're gonna break the internet. Definitely gonna break the internet. It's gonna fuck. That is the bed of the world's baddest fifth gen. He also did some special stuff. Come here. That's a shaved tailgate.
That's the
World's first shaved tailgate. What's missing here, Brian? Do you know what's missing?
The little clunk thing.
And the big ass emblem. As if it couldn't get any better.
Nigga, I made him $1 million, now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring Evie, you probably won't beat me, but bro, we can't be by no small shit. Overseas got the crowd doing mosh pit. Can't believe that I'm still in apartments. Businessman went and got me in office. $1 million deals, I get them often. $1 million was serving on Spar Street. All legit, he gon' stay with the Charleston. I got raw, that shit made me a monster. If bitch, she notice my sister, my mamas. Now they houses as big as they want them. I didn't run up no motherfucking commas. Look at Lil Dominic. Living like we in a race, I might come in first and second, but I won't ever be last. Lately I been in my bag, bro told me don't take my foot off the gas. They give you an inch, gonna take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a technical foul. City to city, got girls going wild, and I reach for my chain when I jump in the crowd. Lambo solo got a squad. We finally made it.
Total loss? I mean, it's not like a total loss. We still got injectors that after they get sent out, and then we got like an alternator.
That's if there's not a piece of piston in your injector.
The alternator's right there. We got the alternator still. The bolts on the harmonic balancer are still there.
Holy shit.
That's so
Ooh.
Oh my
Ooh,
god.
that head's done.
Oh!
This, so you see this gray?
Mm-hmm.
That's piston.
Your piston melted into your head.
And it's in the turbos.
Oh, it's in the turbos.
So what
That's
the
not supposed to be
fire
there.
came from now is metal going into your turbos.
Wow.
Well, you want for that turbo.
Oh, broke a retainer.
It's a ticking time.
Wow.
And then there's your bend.
Oh, heck yeah. See how it's like this one's straight
But you
and then
can
this
see
one's
it.
like Brian. Gay.
Not me, Brian.
So I can take a hammer and bend that one back up.
Yeah, that'd probably be good.
We'll
And then
have it
just throw it
fixed
back
and running
in.
in 10 minutes, but
If
it only
we can
runs
get
for
the
10
DeWalt
minutes.
and get the piston off.
Do you know, 10 minutes will do one more burnout, at least.
But where it sits, anyways.
Yeah, right there. We'll just start it up, lay a heater right there, and then
What maybe?
cry. I don't think it's starting with that.
Spin it over to where
yeah.
three's up.
Three is the bad one? That one's pretty bad.
You see side to side there?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
There's-
is this supposed to just chip off like that?
That's piston.
Whoa. Tastes like burnt everything. What is this?
That was in the oil pan. That's what busted.
This was in the oil.
Part of it, tap it.
So
Oh.
tap it.
Gotcha.
Cam shot too. But.
And then wiggle that one.
Oh! It's like a loose tooth. You want to yank it out?
It doesn't hurt as bad as this.
Yeah, teeth don't cost $40K. The walls are just like real nice.
Yeah, it's more piston.
Look at that.
Dude, use this as a fucking table.
Oh yeah, we're gonna use it as a table in my house. There we go. That justifies, everything that this costs.
$40,000 table.
That'd be a good conversation starter. Hey, why is there a motor in your living room? Oh, it's because I blew up my drag truck the first time I took it to. That was the first time I took it to any show.
That is very true.
And the last time. It's never going to a show again. We're just gonna look at it for now, actually, honestly. Like, yeah, it's back! I told you it wasn't going far.
I want to buy it back.
You want to buy it back?
Yeah, because you gaved this whole motor, but this whole motor's gone, so I can ungave the truck still. He had a deal yesterday.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Now there's
Where's
like
the other 50?
There's a night.
Where's the other 50K?
right there? There it
It
is.
was a good idea before we
Take it.
If this was running, I wouldn't have done that. I have never seen someone melt that many pistons.
Yeah, it's all of them.
Every one of them.
Yeah, that's good. That's how you know I'm good at my job.
Nobody just does it like Gabe, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, it's 6 for 6. That's good. Those are good odds.
15.
I should honestly go play the lottery right now. I'm feeling kind of lucky.
I'm serious. Do I have anything cool here that you want?
We need a spin wheel to just spin it and make it.
Oh my god.
Yes.
We'll talk about it. We'll talk. We're gonna go home. We're gonna take my whiteboard. I'm gonna hang it up on the wall. You have like 3 corners, and it's gonna be like option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, and then option number 3.5 is give it back to you. Pennies on the dollar, but you know it's fine.
So I do want to point out, Bub, someone told him how to turn it up before he got the burnout box. And it was on 5 with 400 overs and no nitrous. And if you're wondering why these are melted,
That is why.
that is why.
Thanks, random guy with 6'4" from UCC. I'm about done. I'm gonna go home and cry myself to sleep. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to my OnlyFans too, so then I can like semi-pay for all the carnage. And we need to buy more kits of nitrous and a big single turbo.
So you're about to make content with that block?
I'm about to. Yeah, I'm gonna stick my cock. It me, so I'm about to this block back, and all you have to do is click the link below to subscribe. Yeah. Good night.